Good morning, everyone. Imagine starting your day when the whole world is still asleep. At 4 a.m., the world is quiet, distractions are minimal, and the possibilities are endless. Waking up at 4 a.m. isn't just about setting an early alarm. It's about transforming your mindset and your life. When you rise early, you gift yourself precious time to focus on what truly matters, your goals, your health, and your personal growth. Most people hit the snooze button and lose hours to distractions. But those who choose to wake up at 4 a.m. tap into a powerful secret. Time is the ultimate equalizer. We all have 24 hours, but how we use those hours defines our success. Waking up early helps you develop discipline, enhances your productivity, and boosts your mental and physical health. It gives you the edge to learn new skills, meditate, exercise, or simply reflect on your purpose. If you want to change your life, start by changing your morning. Wake up at 4 a.m. and you will be amazed at how your days become more productive, your mindset sharper, and your dreams closer than ever. So tomorrow, set your alarm a little earlier. Step into the calm of the morning and take control of your life. Because success doesn't just happen, it's created in the quiet moments before the world wakes up. Early morning is a time free of distractions. When you wake up at 4 a.m., the world around you is still calm and peaceful. There are no emails flooding your inbox, no phone calls ringing, and no social media notifications vying for your attention. The usual noise of daily life, traffic, conversations, and the hustle of work hasn't started yet. This quiet environment creates the perfect setting for deep focus and concentration. Without interruptions, your mind can fully engage with the tasks at hand, whether that's planning your day, reading, writing, or learning a new skill. This uninterrupted time is a rare gift because once the day begins, distractions multiply rapidly. Family members get up, colleagues reach out, and responsibilities pull you in many directions. By starting your day early, you are able to harness this unique window of solitude to think clearly and work efficiently. It's during these early hours that creativity often flows more freely, and ideas come more easily because your brain is rested and not yet cluttered by the demands of the day. This peaceful time also allows you to set a positive tone for the rest of your day, helping you prioritize what truly matters before the noise and chaos take over. Waking up early essentially gives you a head start, letting you accomplish important tasks without feeling rushed or overwhelmed. This ability to work in a distraction-free zone can greatly improve your productivity and overall mindset. Waking up at 4 a.m. provides extra time to focus on personal goals. Most people begin their day rushing through morning routines, barely having a moment to think about what they want to achieve. But by waking up early, you give yourself a valuable gift. Time that belongs solely to you, before anyone else's demands or distractions come into play. This extra time in the morning can be dedicated entirely to your personal growth and ambitions, whether that means working on a passion project, honing a skill, or setting clear intentions for the day. When the rest of the world is still asleep, you have the freedom to create without pressure, distractions, or interruptions. This quiet period allows you to dive deeply into activities that require focus and commitment, such as reading, journaling, exercising, or strategizing for your long-term goals. Instead of squeezing these important actions into an already packed schedule, waking up at 4 a.m. lets you give them the attention and energy they deserve. This can accelerate progress and build momentum in your personal and professional life. Furthermore, dedicating time to your goals first thing in the morning sends a powerful message to your subconscious. You prioritize growth and achievement. Over time, this mindset shift can increase motivation and boost confidence because you start each day by taking meaningful steps forward. In addition, having time to work on your goals early means you're less likely to neglect them as the day progresses and other responsibilities take over. The quiet morning hours become a sanctuary for your dreams, a sacred space where you can nurture your aspirations without compromise. Discipline is built by consistently waking up early. It's easy to hit the snooze button and stay in bed when the alarm goes off. especially when it's still dark outside and your body craves more rest. However, choosing to wake up at 4 a.m. every day requires a strong commitment to yourself and your goals. This commitment gradually trains your mind and body to follow a routine, creating a powerful sense of self-control. Discipline isn't something you're born with. It's developed through repeated actions and habits. By forcing yourself to get up early, even when you don't feel like it, you build mental toughness and resilience. This act of pushing past your comfort zone becomes a daily exercise in willpower, reinforcing your ability to make intentional choices rather than giving in to instant gratification. As you stick to this early wake-up time, your internal clock adjusts, making it easier to rise without struggle and with greater alertness. This newfound discipline doesn't just apply to waking up early, it spills over into other areas of your life, influencing how you approach work, exercise, diet, and relationships. When you prove to yourself each morning that you can follow through on a challenging commitment, it strengthens your confidence to tackle bigger challenges during the day. The routine of waking up early also creates structure, which is essential for maintaining focus and reducing procrastination. Instead of drifting to the morning or starting the day in chaos, you begin with intention and control. This rhythm helps you build momentum that fuels productivity and success, reinforcing the idea that discipline is the foundation upon which all achievement is built. Early risers have a productivity advantage. When you wake up at 4 a.m., you gain access to some of the most productive hours of the day, hours when your mind is fresh, alert, and ready to tackle important tasks. During these early morning moments, your cognitive functions tend to be sharper because you've just woken from restful sleep and your brain has had a chance to recharge overnight. This clarity enables you to think critically, solve problems, and make decisions with greater ease than later in the day, when fatigue or distractions set in. Additionally, the quiet environment of the early morning means fewer interruptions and less noise, allowing you to work deeply and efficiently without the constant pull of emails, meetings, or social interactions. Many studies show that morning people tend to accomplish more in the first few hours of their day, completing their hardest or most demanding tasks when their energy and focus levels peak. This front-loading of productivity creates a snowball effect, where finishing critical work early boosts motivation and confidence, making the rest of the day feel more manageable and less stressful. Furthermore, waking up early lets you plan and prioritize your day thoughtfully, setting clear goals and intentions before external pressures arise. This planning helps prevent wasted time on less important activities and keeps you aligned with your long-term objectives. Overall, starting your day earlier isn't just about getting more hours. It's about making those hours count more by leveraging your natural mental peak and minimizing distractions. When you accomplish something important right at the start of the day, it reinforces your belief in your ability to be productive and successful, which motivates you to keep pushing through challenges and distractions as the day progresses. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by a long list of tasks or feeling rushed to catch up, you're already ahead, which reduces stress and increases confidence. This early momentum can affect all areas of your life: work, personal projects, relationships, and even self-care. You're less likely to procrastinate because you've already proven to yourself that you can get things done. Furthermore, the positive energy from your morning achievements often spills over into your interactions with others, making you more focused, patient, and engaged throughout the day. By starting early and intentionally, you create a rhythm that encourages continuous progress, turning small wins into bigger successes. This momentum-building habit is essential because many people wait until later in the day to begin their work and often struggle to gain traction. In contrast, early risers benefit from the cumulative effect of their morning efforts, carrying a sense of purpose and drive that fuels their entire day. Successful people often share the habit of waking up early. If you look at many of the world's most accomplished leaders, entrepreneurs, and innovators, you'll find a common thread